there. It falls into place, and then just Hey guys, welcome back to That LI Garage. Today we're going to be installing the front seat belts that just came. So let's stop and open up the boxes. Alright guys, so we just got in the front seat belts for the 911 Turbo. And I got them redone in another color. And they rebuilt them because they blew out when you got into an accident, just like an airbag blows out. Sometimes the seat belts do also, so they rebuild them so they will work again instead of buying new ones. And then that, oh, so I did hear about this company that does it. Actually, let's give them a little shout out. Got a little sticker in here. They are these guys, L&D Solutions. They're in California, and I got them from LNC. I watch LNC. He's also a YouTuber that repairs cars and stuff like that. So a shout out to both of them, because if it wasn't for LNC, I wouldn't know about these guys, and I would end up buying brand new ones. Number two, shout out to these guys for being able to rebuild them, and I got a cool color. Check this out. Check it out. I think this is gonna look really nice. I could have went with yellow, but I want to match the calipers better. The tan would look better with the yellow, but I don't know. I like the red. Red is cool. It won't get dirty as more. And oh, one other thing also, they were able to stitch on the original, I don't know, part number and all that, you know, thing from Porsche onto it, so it looks like a OEM part. And in here, you can see there's little wires. Not wires, a little wire connector in here. That's where it gets, this is the igniter. And when it gets an electric signal from the computer that deals with the airbag situation, it shoots out, and there's balls in here. It shoots out metal balls, and they go through this tube, all through this tube, and then they make the seat belt lock. And that's what goes bad in them, from accidents, nothing else. So let's get to the installation. I'm excited to take one more check engine light off the bucket list. So enjoy. So there comes a time when you need to buy an airbag from the dealership, and you have to part with a lot of monies out of your pocket. And after you're done throwing up, are you ready to see what it is when you open it up, how it comes and how it looks like? Let's go. So it has security seals all over. It has the part number on it, has a bunch of warnings also, with a bunch of different people's signatures. More warnings. Seals. Another seal here. And there it is. Got some foam padding on the bottom. Ooh. Ooh, I could use that to lean on things, you know? You're over on the engine bay. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. So let's go install this stupid thing so I can put it in there and forget that I ever bought it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to install a airbag into the steering wheel in a Porsche. First, I think a lot of people say you gotta disconnect the battery if you're a little bitch. Anyways, so you have two leads here for the airbag, and you have one is for the horn. So of course yellow goes with yellow. It goes only one way, and then you click in the little lock in the back. Same thing with the blue one. Click it in, push in the one for the horn. Now we're good to go. We're going to actually put the wire through here. Is that where it goes? Let me take a look at it for a second. Yeah, I think it's like that to hold it away. Alright. So before I fully pull it in, right? So the wiring goes right under there. That's a little notch that holds it out of the way from the springs that hold it in place. Alright. Another thing is you have these 4 hooks. There's another little plastic one here, but you slide it in, and also it's round everywhere around, but every way around the top has a flat part, and you can see it over here on the steering wheel. Alright, just make sure you're lining the wiring correctly. Actually, alright. We don't want it to get pinched while it's in there. It falls into place, and then just click it in. Done. Power it up. All right, that's one less thing to worry about. One thing off the checklist. Honker works. And how do you check the airbag if it's working? You get into an accident, obviously. Now I'm going to check it with the scanner. I should have more check engine lights because I'm pretty sure I need to reset the main controller. There's one missing in the door and the one missing in the seat. But overall, I should have a lot less because we changed the seat belts and we changed this one. So, you know, piecing this thing together, piece by piece. Okay, so right before we erase it, let's see where we're at now. Now we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 airbag codes. Let's erase them and see where we're going next. 2 of them are for this one. One says driver front stage 1 above upper limit, driver front stage 2 above upper limit. That should be this one. I think I gotta restart. Both codes. Good. Now we're gonna erase. You sure you want to erase? Yes. And now it's gonna come up. Now we only have 3. Trigger unit trigger unit faulty. Passenger airbag. Okay, so we know the switch is missing here. I took it out because I'm gonna redo the interior. I wanna spray this center console over here in the same color as the outside. So with the body shop will prepare that later on. That's that one. Communication with PCM. I'm pretty sure it's the radio is disconnected. Trigger unit faulty. That's probably my, yeah, it needs to be reset. The airbag control unit. So that's the next one we're going to be working on.
Thanks for watching my dad's films. And don't forget, if you ain't got haters, you ain't poppin'!